What's up, friends? It's Sadie Rob here with LO, and I am so excited to read y'all the verse of the day. Y'all, this one is filled with so much peace, so listen and just let this flow over your life today. Psalms 23:3 says this: He restores my soul. He leads me on the right path for His name's sake. Y'all, one of the sweetest ideas in the world to me is that God calls Himself a good shepherd. Because how many of us feel like a sheep sometime, right? Hey, I can probably say I've been a sheep sometimes in my life. And I know that that can be kind of a sad thing, right? Like, why would I be proud of that? Because I know even though I am a sheep, I have a good shepherd. You see, even though I'm a sheep and I might feel lost and confused and alone and unable to make decisions for myself, I know I have a good shepherd. Psalms 23 is so peaceful and so personal. David describes how God does for us what shepherds do for their sheep. He leads his sheep. He guides them to safe pastures. He restores their soul. He protects them. You see, in this verse, David speaks about how God restores and refreshes his soul and leads him on the right path. You see, if a sheep was injured in biblical times, the shepherd would treat the sheep's wounds until they were restored to full health. And that's what our God does for us too. He kindly tends and heals our inner wounds. God is so kind and so good to be such a good shepherd in our lives. Psalms 23:3 is a message of comfort. You have someone looking out for you always and who cares about you deeply, and He cares about the wellness of your soul. And that someone is the God of the universe. You have someone, the God of the universe, who wants to guide you and knows the right path and leads you. He has a perspective that you don't have. He allows you to be a sheep. You can be a sheep. You can feel lost. You can feel confused. You can feel alone. And even if you feel that way, that doesn't disqualify you from the love of God. That actually puts you in the perfect place to be led by a shepherd. So allow your shepherd's voice to guide you to the right path and for His glory to be revealed in you. Because when you let Him guide you, His glory is shown through you.